Okay, this is Laszlo in the brown collar here, little male. That in the purple collar there is Jaja. She is the biggest of the females, very outgoing, probably the most outgoing of all the females. This is Francie. She's in red, and she is she's into exploring. She really likes people. Pretty little puppy. And Jaja, she likes to get into things, but she is very loving. She's my daughter's favorite. Very pretty as well. Here in the green we have Malika, little female, and very sweet. And that in the pink is Yelenka. She's really cute. Oh, Laszlo. He's very sweet. He really likes people. He likes to be with people, which is a strong Vizsla trait, of course. And over here, Taylor, go that way. There's Francie again. She's always finding something and figuring out how to work it. It's very cute. And Malika. That there in green is Bodhi. He's the other little male. 2 males left. And he's very pretty. Very sweet. He's probably one of the first that came around to check people out. There he goes with his little paper. Puppies! Who's gonna come? Come here, puppies! Yeah, there's Bodhi. Hi, baby. Hey, Malika. Puppies! Puppies! Laszlo, he definitely likes people. Hi, sweetheart. Come here, girls. Puppies! They're into something over there. Taylor, would you go see? They got something they shouldn't have. Jaja! Jaja! Come here, puppies! Hi, girl. Beautiful girl. Puppies! Puppies! And who's down here? Hi, Laszlo. Hi, Laszlo. There's Mama. Hi, Boo. Hi, sweetheart. Hey, baby. And, oh, we forgot Mally. Come here, Mally. This is Mally in the little black collar there. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Mally. There you are. Hi, cutie. She's really sweet. Oh, and they're going to have a drink from Mom. Oh, and Mom sat still long enough. That's Boo. Okay, so green is Bodhi, little male. Brown right there is Laszlo, it's a little male. And there's Laszlo. Sarika in pink. Sorry for the shadows in the sunlight. Bodhi. Oh, hey! Malika! Puppies! Puppies! That was Francie in the bushes. Hi, baby girl! Jaja in the little maroon collar there. It's my daughter Taylor, who's my big helper. There's Malika! There go the puppies! Boo! Come, stay here. Good girl. Good girl. I'll stay here. Yes. Get your puppies over here. Tell them to come back. Come on. Okay. There's Yelenka in the pink color. I don't think we got a really good look at her.
Come here. Come
Yelenka. Laszlo brown. Bodhi in green. Jaja in purple. She's going to be a little bit of a handful. But like I said, she's my daughter Taylor's favorite. Up there's Mally in the black collar. A sweet little puppy. She likes people. And Jaja. Malika. We found Hungarian names this time. Bodhi and Yelenka. I'm gonna have a drink. Is that cute or what? She's okay. She's feeding him. And she's getting some loving for Nana. What you doing, Francie? Hey, Laszlo. Hey, you're missing the dinner truck, dude. What you doing? What's up with that? That is so cute.